welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an introductional video about how will be I sharing my hobbies, interests and everything whatever I am going to do in my leisure time. So also follow me on Instagram. I post many things like everything what I ever do. Okay. So today I have come up with a new video, so you will get a glance what is all about it. So let's get started. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my very new channel. Thanks for watching.